Professor, I'm Amarijada, and I'm looking at question number 3. Question number 3. What do you think are the most interesting and the most promising technology-based approaches to solve climate change? First and foremost, being a civil engineering student, I would like to look at the issue of climate change in this perspective. One, I believe these are the technology-based approaches which can be used to solve the problem of climate change. First and foremost, we're going to look at the algae biofuels. Algae biofuels can be used as alternative to liquid fossil fuels, which get its source of energy enriched oil from algae. Unlike fossil fuels, algae burn, they produce carbon dioxide when burned. But unlike fossil fuels, that same carbon dioxide that they produce when burned are the one absorbed from the atmosphere, basically making the cycle constant. So the next one I'm going to talk about is green building. I believe with the work of the UN and the developed countries, and the developed countries will help the underdeveloping countries in building a more sustainable green buildings. Sustainable green building, as in these buildings will help trap the energy from sunlight to convert it to energy, convert it to usable energy, and then the water that they're going to absorb to use as clean water, which is going to enable for drinking. So the next one I'm going to talk about is going to be the heliostatic power plants. Heliostatic power plants, as we all know, statistics have shown that most of the sunlights produced in this world are basically based in Africa. With the help of the developed countries, they can help the developing countries in building a heliostatic power plant, which entails the entrapment of the solar energy from the sunlight, which is going to be used for development. In conclusion, I believe what's really required to resolve the climate change is more of integration instead of innovation. I believe with the working between the UN and the governments and the developed and the underdeveloped countries, we can solve climate change by acting now. Thank you.